really good.
What are we doing? What time is it? What are we going to do?
It's 12:16 right now. We are eating Kinder Joy, which is break.
What time is it?
Oh, like shoot time, guys. I said 12:16. Okay, fresh green coming, guys. Fresh green. Am I aesthetic? Am I aesthetic yet? Yeah. Sorry. Friends.
Fine beach.
Beach. I am Susanna Ben.
Guys, we just wrapped up one of the most important shots. Susanna was finally able to do a one-take shot and excited. Now we are finally almost making it on time. We are still running very late. It is around 4-5. So we weren't able to like vlog much since we had all the cameras in use. But we are done. Now currently you can see her down over there cleaning the album. So now we'll be doing like a small go through of her childhood and like her sort of laughing, and you know, we'll be doing it in her sister's room, that is Anna's room, and we'll also show you Anna's room in detail while also going through their channel, which no one has ever seen. So first time we'll walk there and have a conversation and stuff. Beautiful house. We have been able to get shots there. With Anna, we are going to do again a quick interview session, and then we are going to go to the beach. And we're going to shoot content at the beach as well. So ये दोनों चीजें होंगी. Again, we are running late, so we are quite in the hurry, even though we don't look like it. But let's wait and watch. Day 1 at Kochi. Welcome to Anna's room.
Oh.
This room is so white.
Yeah, exactly why we're doing it. Move all those albums.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई नहीं.
Is that your painting?
My sister did it.
Yo,
Show it again.
Beauty.
Have you seen those reels where people go, oh, this bracelet, that's my sister's. Oh, this top, oh, that's my sister's. I am her.
Yeah.
Guys, it's like this.
Is it abstract? What is it? Explain.
Shall we ask her that?
For sure.
Bhavesh and Bobby's. Now we are shooting the dreamy segment of the video. As you can see, we're in a very dreamy setup with two very dreamy people in black. Yes, that's right. Dreamy AF.
No fan.
This is good, no? Yeah, we do look good, bro. Look at that. Ooh, hair is also nice. We are going to go through these albums now. Not just this, but like those. There are like a bunch of those, and we're just gonna explore and see how this girl grew up.
Yeah, bro, let's find out.
Let's find
Because
out.
I don't remember.
Let's find out.
Oh, yeah, this is my 10th grade. This one?
Yeah.
No.
No, this is all Anna. This is all Anna's.
This is mine.
You
See? We're
look
getting
at how bridal this all looks, dude. Like,
Wife.
okay, actor.
You will recognize somebody. It's the highlight. Showstopper. This is worth being framed. Dude, look at this. I was shaking in this picture. Look at me. Oh, he's so sweet.
Are you related to him?
No. My dad did a movie called Devatana Santan Cletus, and the Holy Communion happened right after the movie shoot. So the crew, all of them were here. Yeah.
Anyways, guys, we just wrapped up our entire. Yes, bro, we are done. We just wrapped up our entire album shoot. Now we are gonna go meet Anna at the beach itself directly because यहाँ का काम कम हो गया है. We have almost finished everything up over here. So we are gonna go meet Anna at the beach, and we are gonna start taking videos at the beach, mostly at the boat as well. So it's finally time to do Kochi things in Kochi. Let's go. Guys, we have somehow fit in the car. Mosquitoes are killing Mohit.
The whole point of the beach is to get some cool dreamy, nice, fun shots, playing in the beach. Hopefully just see the sun go down.
Which beach are we going to?
Valappu Beach.
So we're going to the Valappu beach, where we'll also be seeing Anna. Then we have to
It's
complete
not Valappu, by the way, it's Valappu.
Valappu.
On maps it said ooh.
If you get one note, we can build from there. So you can go.
Recognize this note, okay? Ah!
You know what that sounds
What
like?
note is that?
What note is that?
F
sharp. F sharp. Let's go. Let's go to the beach. Finally, Kochi things.
You pulled the most soothing right now.
I had to record this whole while. Okay, let's pretend that we just met.
We met an hour ago, guys.
Last time we met, we accidentally exchanged our lip shades. So I have hers.
This is
but
yours.
This is mine. This is mine, which she's using.
Oh, okay. I'll have mine back.
Yes, because it's almost done.
Show me yours. I have lots of. Dude, you ate the lipstick.
Actually, none of the things that I'm wearing.
is mine.
Oh, this is hers.
That's
What else? That's it.
Guys, I gave Susanna my camera. She forgot to record.
No, dude. I'll tell you what.
So wait, could you explain what you did?
Dude,
No, she can't. That is exactly what I'm trying to talk about. How could you not record? Say hi to the camera. Tell hi to the audience as well.
We are the island girls. Alasu.
yeah. Actually, we really enjoy.
We used to come to this beach during COVID.
Yeah.
Let's keep it that side. So we'll start off now.
If not for my first film, Kumbalangi Nights, I don't know where I be. I don't even know if I'll end up in films because that movie kind of gave me a lot of energy and a lot of love and this massive love for the art. So,
I think that's about it.
yeah?
Those are my questions. Perfect.
Food court. RB.
What did you save his name as?
Baby doll Kerala rental gang.
പലാരം എന്നാണ് സ്ഥലത്തിന്റെ പേര് പലാരം.
So where are we here now, Athar?
So we are at this place called Palaram. It's
Why are
a
we
nice. We are here to eat.
Are they just open?
So basically, we spent $6,000 to buy this tripod, but we don't have the base plate for which we actually did buy the tripod. So sticky situation, not the best situation, and yeah, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna see what we can do. Gotta call that guy up. He stopped picking our calls. Not the best moment, but
Experience.
we'll get through
You
it.
know, Anna and I, we always come to this place.
He'll know.
Like
It's us only.
a lot.
This one?
Yeah, this place.
Guys, time to enter the vlogging scene.
I'm in the middle of tying my hair.
So I'm chilling at the beach and I see you for the first time. I'm like, you look awfully familiar. Like I've seen you somewhere. I was so sure I've seen you somewhere. And then I was like, dude, she looks so familiar. And he goes, have you seen Kalki? And that's when it connected. And then I'm like, wait a second. Because there you're all like, you're ready, okay? You're ready for like the apocalypse.
Yeah.
And then I was like, because one of the saddest moments was when you died. So then,
I think it was me, Sani, and someone else also together, and we all just went. And then Sani was like, "Okay, that's Chichi." I'm like, "Oh, nice, that's Chichi."
I mean, we kind of look similar, so.
Hey, were you also in the movie?
Nah.
secretly, camera.
Nah.
Secret cameo you did. Tell. Are you lying?
Like when I kick, she's the one who's actually kicking.
Hey,
Hey, why
double
did you
roll,
say
bro.
it? Oh, you're so fake. Oh my god.
So we've wrapped up today's part of shooting, and now we're just having fun. Like
Now it's Mohit's fun time. Now it's masti time.
this is the best time. Just chill, hang around, do fun stuff.
That's why I love my screen. Bye.
Bye. See you. Bye. Bye, uncle. Bye, auntie. See you guys.
Bro, which is the shop?